inch. Jesus. Dang it. It's stop dropping shit, man. I gotta double check something. Alright. Looks like my battery's dying. That's not good. Let's see if we can get to the last of this real quick. So, we're gonna try to get this piece back on here, which is gonna be attached by a screw. So. And we want this piece to come up like this. And I think it's gonna be like I think it's going to be like that. I'm trying to remember exactly how this went. So. Let's get the hole right here, which is going to punch this up. Which I think is going to be a little bit like this. No, maybe it's like this. To be like this. We're gonna get our screw in the back tighten on. And we gotta get the washers lined up, right? Alrighty, I think we got it on there now. I'll move this piece. That will finish the cycle here. Alright. Looks like we're back, people. We're back to normal. So now, let's do one more adjustment here. Try one more thing. See what happens. So, but we definitely need to get this thing grounded here. So, I'm gonna shove this right here, and we're gonna try this out. Let's see. Looks like we got a scan issue. Trying to find it, but it's saying it's going to take so long. Or a fuse may have blown out, possibly. Now, this is not sitting right, so. Looks like it finally gave up, I guess. Let's see, try this again. There it goes. I'm gonna see if it goes to it or not. And thanks for ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching this repair video on the Rockola 443. And we'll see you another time on a different video. See ya.